Injective Protocol, hardest working team in crypto. What's going on, guys? Randy here with another crypto video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified when I post new videos. Check out my Patreon link down below. That comes with an exclusive Telegram group where we have a nice group of investors in there now talking all things crypto. So today I want to get into Injective Protocol. Yes, I know the markets are down and everybody is talking about the markets and manipulation and what's going on. Well, while all this stuff's going down, with the price action moving on the downtrend, there's still projects out there working their butt off to get their projects out, to release Mainnet, to do all these things. These projects still need to be covered, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not telling you to go out and buy Injective Protocol because the markets are shaky right now. It could go either way, in my opinion. I don't think this bull market's over. I think we're in a nice, healthy consolidation, bigger than we would have hoped for, but I think it's going to come back and we're all going to make a lot of money. So now is the time to pick up solid projects, and one that I think is going to be a real nice mover in this market is Injective Protocol, because they're always putting out news, they're always working, and they're always scoring new partnerships. Injective Protocol is a decentralized trading platform on Layer 2 of Ethereum. It boasts low fees, instant transactions, and access to stocks, crypto, forex, synthetic assets, and NFTs. So essentially, you could look at this as a decentralized version of Robinhood. Alright, so over on Injective Protocol's website, Injective Protocol, a fully decentralized Layer 2 DeFi protocol, offering a robust, highly parameterizable DeFi protocol supporting a diverse array of derivatives, including CFDs, perpetual swaps, and more. So what problem does INJ solve? Injective brings power back to the people by enabling truly free and decentralized trading for everyone. Many decentralized exchanges today claim to be decentralized but are actually centralized in most aspects besides custody. So why is Injective different? The biggest fundamental difference between Injective Protocol and other exchanges is that we make exchange a decentralized public utility, which gives our users and community the resultant value capture from our exchange protocol. Now, the big news coming up in Q2 is Injective Protocol is releasing phase 1 of their mainnet. Toward the end of last year, Injective Protocol released their testnet called Solstice. Their daily trading volume regularly eclipsed 500 million, which is pretty darn good for something that is just a test. During this time, we also revamped our protocol a number of times in order to further improve performance and enhance the user experience. New markets were added over time, such as synthetic gold, Tesla stock futures, GameStop stock futures, Forex futures, and yield farming derivatives. Injective Protocol also released their Equinox staking, which I'll get a little more into that in a minute. Now, the mainnet's coming out in 3 phases. So Injective Protocol is being released in 3 phases. Phase 1 is known as the Peggy Bridge and initial deployment. Phase 1 of the Injective mainnet will begin with the release of the native Injective Peggy Bridge, which is a decentralized, highly gas-efficient, bidirectional bridge for transferring ERC20 tokens from Ethereum to the Injective chain. The initial transfer process itself is quite simple and will consist of depositing INJ into the Peggy Bridge contract on Ethereum, and that's phase 1. There is no date from what I can see. If you know of a date of when this mainnet will be launched, let me know down in the comments, but from what I saw on the roadmap, it's sometime in Q2, so you could probably see this sometime in June, by the end of June. Now, phase 2 will be the Canary chain and exchange launch. The phrase canary in a coal mine, the expression refers to birds called canaries that coal miners in the past brought into mine tunnels. Dangerous gases such as carbon monoxide were present in the mine. The gases would kill the canaries first before killing the miners. Now, you may have heard of the Canary Network, which is Kusama on the Polkadot ecosystem. Well, this is kind of similar, and it's going to act as kind of like a test. And the reason why they are using this Canary chain is that they've seen a number of major protocols suffer from malicious attacks from bad actors. In order to prevent any such case with Injective, they will launch their mainnet with a Canary chain approach. So that's phase 2, and then phase 3 is the canonical chain release. After Canary chain runs stably for a few weeks, we'll make the Canary chain canonical. The canonical chain will function exactly the same way as the Canary chain, but without any form of limitation. The canonical chain will include unrestricted trading for a plethora of new markets, with full-fledged governance capability held entirely by the community. It will mark the official start of the truly free and decentralized financial system. Now you have to realize with Injective Protocol, there hasn't been a final product yet. INJ is going to release their mainnet, and you're going to start to see a final product for Injective. Usually mainnet releases garner a lot of investors coming in. We'll see what happens with the market. If Bitcoin kind of goes up over the next month before this mainnet launch, you'll see Injective go up as well. All right, so back to staking. So Injective Protocol, you can earn 17% annualized rewards. If you had 100 INJ tokens invested over a year's time, you would earn $13.29. If you had 1,000 INJ, that's at $132.88 per month. Not bad for some extra passive income. Now, if you manage to get 10,000 INJ tokens staked at 17%, you'd have $1,328 per month. Now, that's not too shabby. This might be one strategy during the bear market when it finally comes, is when these prices hit rock bottoms. I mean, you see what happened with Injective. It had an all-time high of $25. It went down to as low as $9 and some change, maybe even $8. Right now, it's sitting at about $10. Imagine in the bear market when you can pick up INJ for $1 or $2, and you can get up to that number 10,000. You can get up to maybe 100,000 INJ. Look at that, 100,000 INJ, that's $13,000 per month. You can essentially live off of your staking rewards from these cryptocurrencies. So yeah, bear market strategy, try to accumulate coins with high annualized returns that will be around for a very long time, and I think Injective Protocol will be. Now, I call Injective Protocol one of the hardest working teams in crypto. Why? Because of all the partnerships that they've been forming over the course of the past year. Recently, they were just listed on Crypto.com. If you would like to try out Crypto.com, there is a link in the description. You can buy crypto as well as sign up for their debit card and get cashback rewards. Injective Protocol just launched their Injective governance for derivatives markets. They also partnered with Division Network to create NFTs. They also just released the Injective Insurance Fund. All users will be able to interact with the insurance fund shortly, which will serve as a key step for launching. Just a week ago now, they partnered with Reflexer. They will integrate with Reflexer and the RAI stablecoin with Injective's derivatives protocol. They've already partnered with UMA to launch innovative synthetic products. They were listed on Gemini, partnered with Clayton to bring decentralized trading to millions of users, partnered with API3. They even partnered with Harmony to create innovative cross-chain assets. So Injective Protocol they mean business, and they have their head down and they're working every single day. Okay, taking a look at the price right now, Injective Protocol on CoinGecko is $9.54. Market cap $256 million. Now, I made a video a few weeks ago saying that Injective Protocol was undervalued, and that was at $22. Now it's $9.54. Now it's extremely undervalued in my opinion. Take a look at this. It had a $534 million market cap. It's down $300 million in less than a month because of this crazy crash we just had. If there was ever a time to pick up a coin before a mainnet launch, that's if you're feeling confident. Now would be the time. You're talking more than half off Injective Protocol. And back then when it was $22, my last video I said Injective Protocol will hit $200 at the peak of the bull run. And honestly, nothing has changed. If this bull run continues, there's no reason why it wouldn't hit $200 per coin at a 26 million circulating supply. This is a top 100 project. Right now it's sitting at 168. So 200 peak of the bull run. That's if the bull run actually resumes. You know, buying these solid crypto projects now, it's like going back in time about 4 months, sometimes even longer. The last time Injective Protocol was in the $9.50 range was on January 31st of 2021. Oh, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know down in the comments, are you stacking coins that you like Injective Protocol? Are you buying these on the cheap, or are you taking the wait and see approach to see what happens with the market, to see if it recovers before you start to get in on these projects? Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.